Hi there, it's Mina. Are you enjoying your drawing time? Today, I want to chat with you while creating a watercolor style digital illustration. I've added subtitles, so feel free to turn them on. And if you just want to watch the art process, you can go ahead and meet me. This illustration isn't an original character. I'm drawing Kusuri Uri-san from the anime Mononoke to celebrate the movie release. It's an amazing anime with an incredible atmosphere and artistic color choices. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. I started drawing illustrations for fun when I was a uni student. I attended a university completely unrelated to art. I spent about 3 years drawing illustrations as a hobby. But after I started working, I got so busy that I stopped drawing altogether. The work culture in Japan can be quite tough. With long hours, leaving me exhausted and with no energy to do anything but sleep when I got home. I didn't draw for over 10 years. But recently, my work environment has changed and I've been doing more design-related jobs. And one day, while using my tablet, I thought, maybe I should try drawing again. So I started drawing, but I couldn't do it at all. I had forgotten how to use brushes and everything else. I was so bad that I had to laugh at myself. But I remembered how much fun it was. Since then, I've been drawing a little whenever I have time. I might only complete one piece every 3 months, but I felt like I was definitely improving fast and regaining my skills. There are 3 reasons. First, I simply love creating things, whether it's cooking, DIY projects, illustrations, or even making videos, which I've always been interested in. Second, if I'm going to do this, I want to produce videos that are useful to others. In my job, I often had opportunities to train and mentor others. I realized that seeing someone grow and improve because of my guidance brought me joy. I'm not particularly talented, and I often struggle with mastering things. So I empathize with people who face similar challenges. I know what it's like to make common mistakes and think, oh, me too, I used to make that mistake all the time, like that. If I can help someone with my experience, then why not? Anyway, being able to help someone is something important to me. I think I might feel even happier about that than receiving a prize for my illustrations. Is that strange? Also, I work in design field. My illustration skills are entirely self-taught. I didn't go to art school, so I'm not here to lecture. Instead, I want to share the tips and the tricks I use and improve alongside everyone watching my channel. Since I share tips from my own experience rather than offering structured lessons, my channel might not fully satisfy those looking for formal, serious instruction. The last reason why I started this YouTube channel is, simply put, I want to share the joy of drawing. Not only for those who are interested in art now, but also those who used to draw but stopped due to busy life, can rediscover the fun of creating art. If this video inspires someone to think, illustrations, I used to draw, maybe I should start it again, that would make me very happy. Maybe my enthusiasm for drawing is because I've only recently started again. I hope I still love it this much a year from now. Now, let's talk a bit about this illustration too. I enjoy creating watercolor style art digitally, and that's what I aimed for with this piece. Originally, I didn't plan to animate this illustration, so I didn't separate the layers as much as I usually would. The animation software is something I work for fun. It's great to see your illustrations come to life in animation. The software can create serious animations, but I mostly use it for simple movements like this due to time constraints. I hope to make a full animation artwork one day when I have more time, like much more time. Time always seems to be in short supply, doesn't it? Okay, the artwork is almost complete. Let's say goodbye for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by leaving a like or comment. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Alright then, have a great creative day. Bye.